broken seam. That's what happens when you have a broken seam, right there. There we go. 2 people with a man on the ground. That took 4 hours. 4 hours, popping lines and everything. Okay, 4 hours. Clamp down, laid out for the night. See you tomorrow. Out. 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 Huh? Just about a couple more. Get the roll out of it. Makes it look more like a peak. Cutting what's left off. Cut that off. So we put these 2 pieces on, this one and that one. Put our next piece, butt it into it, cut that off, done. We have here our 6-inch overhang, like we promised. Yeah. And
how about it here? Yeah, Andrew had it this morning. Should be right there.
What?
Report against right there.
I think I'm both crossing.
No.
Oh, okay, that first one right there is Florida cable. Yeah, now we're adding the 2x4s to give us that 6-inch overhang. On the ends, see how his house comes out from the other part of the house down below? This part up here is sticking out, so we only give it 3 inches. We're looking for a 3-inch overhang here. And we're looking for a 6-inch overhang over here. That's about what we did. Now we'll wrap this all with aluminum. And I don't have to worry about where I'm walking anymore. I can just basically take a walk. Very solid. This is me walking on a trailer. Go up on top of your trailer and walk like this. Don't think you'll have the same results unless you put a roof on like this. Okay. So key to being able to get on your roof to start with, because you don't want to get on a mobile home roof, is then being able to get up there and do this. I don't have to watch my step, be careful where I'm stepping. Before I added this OSB, I was crazy. Be careful where I walked. All right. Paul and I getting ready to run this 2x4 right here for a sub fascia. We're just going flush with the plywood. OSB. All right, sorry. Out. I'm good where I'm at. I feel like you're pretty close. There. Getting close. Hello. Ten feet, 10 feet. Come on, rain, hold off. Dang rain, go away. Better get a new blade.
Right.
Cut it again. We have a transition here. Transition is right here, where the porch always had an issue leaking. The house leaked, the porch leaked, and never could get it to stop. By the time we run our OSB over the top of it, we ended up being right around an inch above that piece right there. So with our 1/2 inch and our screw, we'll pull that back down into it. Once we get this all screwed together, we should be in great shape. As George is getting ready to do that. Just like that. Oh, that looks so good, George. I like it. It looks so good. All right, man. Let's get this thing glued down. All right, so we were able to get it a little bit done. We didn't get everything we wanted to get done, but we are worried that the skies could open up about any time. It's been looking pretty ominous around here. So what we've done is we got it covered up for the night. Our seams are clean and done. So now all we have to do is roll everything back, glue it down, and install our fascia boards, metal. We have right there, pile of it, and termination bar, and this thing will be dadgum done diddly. Looking beautiful.